So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can update the installed app that have been already installed the software on your PC, how you can update that software from Microsoft Store. You can get update from all the authorized apps from Microsoft Store only, so you don't need to worry about the updating apps as you want, don't need to visit particular sites of the developer of this softwares. You can just simply update all the software just like in the same way that you have been updating the applications on mobile using Google Play Store. So in order to update the software, just simply open the Microsoft Store first. For example, if I open the Microsoft Store, you can see it is now opening. When it is opened, you can see it's currently loading as I've been opened it for the first time when I booted my PC. Now you can see it's booted. Now in order to update the installed apps, if you first on the left window on the bottom corner you can see the option of library. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see the basic updates over there, and you can either update the applications manually from there, or click on the option of update all. And if you are not able to see the updates over there, just simply click on the option of get updates. When you click on this option, you can see the loading icon over there, and all the updates that have been available for you to update the software are going to be loaded, and you can update the apps either manually or just by clicking update all, so that all the applications or the software have been updated automatically. So by this method you can easily update the software that has been already installed to your PC via Microsoft Store. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.